Hello nature lovers, this is air Terjun Sg Gapoi, situated in the state of Pahang. Traveling time from Kuala Lumpur to the trailhead is about 2 hours. The hiking time from the trailhead to this fall is less than 10 minutes. If you can hear the background noise, that is the call of the gibbon. And if you are lucky, you may be able to see them swinging from tree to tree. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe and share. This will give me the support and encouragement to produce more in future. If you like to visit this waterfall, please leave a message below. I have experienced guide to take you there.